Look, coconuts on the ground.
Oh, look at this. I know.
Fall down, they kill you.
Coconuts. Coconuts.
Yeah.
Lots of coconuts.
Don't walk.
Woo.
What are you doing? It looks like a coconut.
Yeah, it is a good coconut. But you know, if you put it there, it will germinate. There you go. Train.
One's germinating.
Yeah, can we pick that up? I want to pick that up. I'm gonna plant. You can plant it. It doesn't take long at all. Yes, it's germinating now. Look,
Lots of ants on it.
it's germinating. Come on, it's germinating.
Broke through.
Yeah, of course. That's how you
How
germinate
long do you
coconut.
think it's going to take before it grows a tree?
5 years.
5 years, right. Another.
Iguana. Oh, there's an iguana. Oh my God. Oh, I saw it. Okay, lizard. Come on, lizard. Go, cross. Cross. Stop. Iguana. Gone away is the blizzard. Here to stay is a bunch of lizards. A warm sunny day, we like it that way. Winter in Florida Wonderland.
It's a big guy. A little closer. It's going up the tree.
Iguana. See the iguana? Oh, see the iguana? Psst. Psst.
Well, don't get too close. They'll chase you, bite you, you know, they're poisonous.
I want that iguana.
oh my
Lots
God.
of iguanas here. Lots and lots of iguanas.
What's that?
Wow, you can see you can fish here too. Nice. Wonder what they're catching. Designated fishing area. Look, see? We can come here and start fishing.
What you fishing for, man? What's that? Oh, really?
We can come here and go fishing. Look, designated fishing area. Oh my God. Nice.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
That's beautiful.
Look, look.
Oh my God. You just caught it. I love
It
it.
looks like our overgrown snappers. Man.
Yes.
Where you from?
New
Long
York.
Island, New York.
Oh, New York?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, there you are awesome. Oh my God.
You have to fish deep for them, man. They will get away.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
There's some weekend come down.
We come here. Oh, I'd love to.
here.
Yeah,
I love this stuff.
Yeah, it's fun here.
We go on the boat back in New York, and we go fishing all the time.
yeah. We don't have a boat yet.
I love this stuff. And it's a designated fishing area too, right?
Yeah, that's what the sign says.
Very nice. Yeah, we come back here and go fishing. And it doesn't close. You know, it don't close. It's always open.
They stay over all night.
Oh, you can see here all night long.
Yeah, I don't think so.
What's a snow?
That's one with black stripe down.
He's going there with the bait.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there's
Oh, yeah, look. There's a fish.
Oh, it's a live fish.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Okay.
the bait.
Yeah.
Look
Very
for the
nice.
bigger guy.
Oh, I just saw it. I just saw a thing fly down there. It was flying.
Yeah, of course, they
So there's lots of fishes here. It is relaxing. been married 32 years. Now we got found a place, or it's close to us.
Yeah.
It's right in Johnson Street.